بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم ولله.
Welcome to EduPark Learning Hub. Today our topic is geometry. We are to solve the exercise 10A. But before solving exercise 10A, it is very much important for us to understand the basic concepts of geometry. As we are to deal with angle and properties of angle in this exercise, so first of all we will try to learn some basic concepts of angle. What is angle and what are its properties? So angle is a curve or turning of line OA with respect to OB, and it is called angle. This is the distance between these two lines. This is the turning of line A, how much OA rotates to OB. So this rotation, this turning with respect to OB is called angle. These two lines are called arm of the angle. The distance between the two lines is angle. The common point is called vertex of the angle. Now we will see that how many types of angles are there. Suppose, before going to types of angles, suppose this is a coordinate. In this quadrant, this is angle 0, and as we move to this line perpendicular, this is of angle 90 degree between this line and this line, and as we move to our left side here, this is the quadrant between 90 and 180 degree, and here this is straight line. This is angle 180 degree from this line to this one. Now this is quadrant where angles from 180 degree to 270 degree lies, and this is fourth quadrant where angle 270 degree to 360 degree lies. When we start our journey from there and we make a circle, then after making a circle we get angle 360 degree. Now types of angle. There are many types of angle based on degree. What is the ratio of the degree? What is the quantity of the angle? So here this is acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle and reflex angle. We will discuss these angles in a little bit detail. First of all, acute angle, the angle that is less than 90 degrees is called acute angle. This is the angle between 0 to 90 degree. Next our angle is 90 degree. This is our 0 degree. The angle between 0 to 90 degree is called acute angle, and if we move straight, then this angle between from 0 to 90 degree, this angle of exact 90 degree is called right angle. Now angle greater than 90 degree but less than 180 degree. 180 degree is straight line. So from 90 degree to 180 degree, the angles are called obtuse angle, and the angle exactly 180 degree is called straight angles. The angle greater than 180 degrees are called reflex angles. This angle from 0 degree to there, this is greater than 180 degree because 180 degrees are straight line. So greater than 180 degrees angle of reflex angle. Now here you can see that we have started from 0, and after complete circle the whole angle that is completed is known as complete angle. Complete angle is equal to 360 degree. Now here our angles are completed. Acute angle 0 to 90 degree, obtuse 90 to 180 degree, 180 degrees full straight line greater than 90 degree is reflex angle, and angle 360 degrees complete angle. So our plane is complete now. Here again the shaded areas are showing you the angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, reflex angle, and full rotation or complete angle. Here is again a chart showing the angle and their quantities. Now we'll study the angles from clock example. All of you have clocks at home. So if you see the two needles of the clock, here they are making a straight angle, angle of exact 90 degree. Here this is 12:30 time, and the angle is straight angle because the angle is of 180 degree. There is quarter to 12, and it is reflex angle because we have started from 12. So from 0 to there 270 degrees reflex angle because it is greater than 180 degree. Here if you see there, then this angle is inside the angle. Interior angle is straight angle, right angle, because it is of 90 degrees, so it is right angle. But here from exterior angle, this is reflex angle because it is 270 degree. Here exact 12 o'clock, this is an angle of 360 degree, so this is complete angle. Now we have understand the quantities of angles. So now move to the properties of angles. First of all, the angle that have a common arm and a common vertex are called adjacent angle. Here you can see that there are two angles, COA and AOB. There are two. These two angles are called adjacent angles because they have a common vertex O. Now let's study complementary and supplementary angles, because we have to solve the question related to these properties. So understand them carefully. First of all, complementary angles, angles that add up to 90 degree. Here are two angles. One is 38 degree and the other is 52 degree. If we add both angles, and both are adjacent angles, so by adding them we get 90 degree. So these two angles, these two adjacent angles are called complementary angles. Now supplementary angles, angles that add up to 180 degree. Here are again two angles, 50 degree and 128 degree. When we add these two adjacent angles, 52 degree and 128 degree, we get 180 degree. So these two angles are supplementary angles. The second angles are opposite angles. Opposite angles are also called vertical angles. Vertical angles are angles that are opposite to each other. When you have two intersecting lines, opposite angles that are opposite to each other. When two lines cross, these are also known as vertical angles because the two angles share the same corner. Vertex is same for these two lines. When these two lines cut each other, they make angles. They make four angles, 1, 2, 3, 4, and these four angles have the common vertex. So these angles are called opposite angle or vertical angles. These are vertical opposite angles. 1 and 3 shown by yellow color, and 2 and 4, these are vertical opposite angle shown by red color. 1 and 3 is equal, and 2 and 4 are equal. Corresponding angle. The angles which occupy the same relative position at each intersection where a straight line crosses two others. If the two lines are parallel, the corresponding angles are equal. Here you can see that there are two parallel lines, and these two parallel lines are cut by this line, and by intersection we have angles. So these are exterior angles, these are interior angles, and these angles are called corresponding angles. These are vertical angles in each line, these are alternate exterior angles, these are corresponding angles. The angles that are formed by the intersection of a line of two parallel lines. Now alternate angles. Two angles formed when a line crosses two other lines that lies on opposite sides of the transversal line and on opposite relative sides of the other lines. If the two lines crossed are parallel, the alternate angles are equal. Here you can see this is parallel line and this is an transversal line. Here these two angles are corresponding, these pink angles are corresponding angles, these purple angles are corresponding angles, while alternate exterior means that the angles outside the lines are called exterior angles, and interior angles are the angles inside the line. So here you can see that if these are corresponding angles, but this is equal to this because opposite angle, this is equal to this. So if this is equal to this, it means that this is also equal to this. So these are called alternate exterior angles. Same, if this is equal to this and this is equal to this and this is equal to this, then it means that it is also equal to this here. These are called alternate interior angles. Now the corresponding angles are equal, the vertically opposite angles are equal, the alternate interior angles are equal, the alternate exterior angles are equal. The pair of interior angles on the same side of the transversal is supplementary. What is this? Look again. What is supplementary? Here you can see this is a straight line and these two angles are making this straight line. So these two angles are supplementary angles that are making it 180 degree. Now, in our next video, we will learn how to find an unknown angle. Thank you so much. Keep watching us.